us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. In the name of the Father.
May we hear the welcome remarks from a learner of Kindergarten St. Clair. With highest honors, Sofina Endica C. Tolibas.
To our dearest school director, Ms. Maria Luana A. Bucayo, beloved academic director, Ms. Martes S. Eustacio, dynamic school principals, Mr. Anthony G. Racolt and John Michael M. Bongolan. To our guest of honor and speaker, Dr. Lando B. Talon Jr., administrators, coordinators, dedicated and hardworking faculty and staff. Moving to our 15 moving up completion ceremony. Today is not only celebration of our academic accomplishments, but also a reflection of our fortitude, persistence, and discipline. Through the years, we have overcome challenges, gained meaningful experiences, and built memories that will last a lifetime. Now, we stand on the threshold of a new beginning, ready to embrace the next chapter of our journey. This day would not be possible without the unwavering support of our teachers who have guided us with patience and wisdom, and our families who have been our pillars, and all of you. We express our deepest gratitude. On behalf of the completers of academic year 2025 to 2026, once again, I extend my warmest welcome to all. I hope we will have a meaningful, wonderful year ahead. Thank you very much and God bless.